Here at Popular Mechanics, we test a lot of cool stuff. Lawnmowers, grills, cars, weed whackers. I personally don't know how to operate any of that stuff, but I do know how to drink beer and kind of play video games in the 90s. When Miller Lite offered to bring by their Cantroller, which is literally a video game controller fashioned out of a beer can, I said, of course, let's do it. The circuit board has integrated Bluetooth tech that allows you to wirelessly connect it to any computer. It's got flexible circuit board that wraps around the can with metal dome switches that are stuck with an adhesive to let you press the buttons while you're playing the game. The controls feel very natural once you get the hang of it. I haven't felt buttons like this since like those old school phones, because everything these days is touchscreen. You have to press a little harder than you might anticipate. You wouldn't necessarily know that there's liquid inside, to be completely honest. I don't feel sloshing. See, I'm shaking the controller a lot, so that can't be good because it's gonna blow up my face. But that's the risk that you take when you play with the Cantroller. While we're playing Sega games today, if you go through Steam and you find any game that is 10 button pad compatible, you're good to go. Oh, look at that! I've always wanted to control a dolphin with a beer can, so let's see. Oh! Wow, what a day. It's got a lithium ion battery with about a 3-hour battery life, and it's got a little micro USB port that allows you to charge it anytime you want. I definitely wouldn't put it in my beer fridge to run the risk of accidentally drinking it. So I'd probably, include this with my other gaming controllers. The controller still works after you consume the beer inside, so you don't have to worry about once you drink it, it's ruined, because that's not the case. There are only 200 of these bad boys in existence. Miller Lite is partnering with Eric Andre to battle a bunch of gamers with these bad boys at E3, and if you beat them, then you can get one of these yourself. So after playing around with this thing for a little while, it was really easy and super fun. But if you do get frustrated, and if you do happen to die during Sonic the Hedgehog, you can always use the can as it was originally intended. And that's, to drink it.